Chautauqua, Labette, and Montgomery. Oklahoma, Craig, Nowata, Osage, Pawnee, and Washington. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
How short? Go ahead and get these.
Heat advisory remains in effect from...
Where did my mouse go?
Northeastern Oklahoma until 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles north of Hewlett to near Okeechobee to 5 miles southwest of Winona, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
That's it?
This is a radar indicated threat.
Literally the county north of
The
that has
following
7.
attacks
That
are
made no sense, man.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Bartlesville, Nowata, Pawhuska, Dewey, Barnesville, South Coffeyville, Copan, Ramona, Winona, Oshaleta, Delaware, Avant, Lenapaw, Vera, Bighorn, Bartlesville Municipal Airport, Osage Hill State Park, Hewlett, Sunset Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 7:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7 a.m. at the Tulsa International Airport, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 82, dew point 73, relative humidity.
Shoot that is over. That's the enough.
The wind was northeast at 5. The pressure was 29.91 inches and rising. Around Oklahoma at this hour. Southeastern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma until 8:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located 2 miles northeast of Turley, 4 miles northeast of Sand Springs, and 4 miles south of Tulsa, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Sand Springs, Owasso, Bixby, Jenks, Glenpool, Coweta, Catoosa, Verdigris, Jenks Riverside Airport, Turley, Tulsa International Airport, Oneida, Gray. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 211 and 245. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Southern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, Nowata County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 8:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:51 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles west of South Coffeyville to 6 miles west of Watauga to near Ramona, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in our nearby path include Nowada, Chelsea, Donegal, South Coffeyville, Ramona, Delaware, Foyle, Lenapal, Talala, Big Cabin, Vera, New Alu, Watova, White Oak, Hollow, Centralia, Bushy Head, Centralia. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 264 and 279. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 7 a.m., at the Tulsa International Airport, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 82, dew point 73, relative humidity 74%. The wind was northeast at 5. The pressure was 29.91 inches and rising. Around Oklahoma this hour. In Oklahoma City, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 81. In Bartlesville, it was cloudy with a temperature of 77.